It looks fast. Hey, what's up guys? Richard with Dent Masters here in Arlington. Got my first BMW i8. This is I think it's a hybrid car, electric, gas engine. Got a dent right on the driver's door. Right in the body line there. I haven't worked on one of these before. It's an aluminum door. I don't know what the inside's like, so hopefully I can get a tool on it and smooth out that metal and get this thing looking right. Now this guy, after I fix the dent, he's gonna want to go get a car wash because this thing is filthy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll check in once it's all done, show you the end result. See ya. What's up, fellas? Got this BMW i8 door ding, driver's door. Just wanted to show you that it's wide open right in this section at least. I'm getting right on that dent. There's no carbon fiber or sound deadening material or anything. It's just I'm right on the back side of this aluminum panel with my tool, so it's on a body line. I think this dent will come out really nice. All right, all done. Just fixed up this door ding. BMW i8, it was in that body line there. All gone. Was able to get right on the back side of the metal. No sound insulator, no carbon fiber. Let's fix this aluminum door on this BMW i8.
This going like 150,000?
Starts at 140, I think, base model.
150 after taxes.
Pretty dope car though. Felt like I was driving in a spaceship when I was inside the cockpit there. Super cool. Quiet electric car. I like it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.